Okay, children, now we'll continue with our explanation and book exercise. So here's the question, time to answer. Tick correct the correct statements and tick cross to the wrong statements. So the first statement is we should make fun of physically challenged people. So this is wrong. We should not make fun of physically challenged people. Second is people who cannot hear are called deaf. Okay, so now the third statement is Braille is a special system that helps in hearing. No, this is a wrong one. You have to draw a cross there because Braille is a language which helps blind people to read and write. Braille helps blind people to read and write. Yeah, this is the right one. Fourth one is right. Fifth, people who cannot speak are called dumb. So last one is people who cannot speak are called dumb. So this is the right one, that people who cannot speak are called dumb. Okay, so this is how we have completed the time to answer. Now we will continue with the chapter explanation. So looking after our elderly people. So I'm going to read it and you have to read with me. Students, our elders become slow and physically weak with age. Elderly people have poor vision and are not able to hear properly. They need our love and support and affection. So they need our love, support and affection. We should always love and respect elderly people. We should always help them. We should spend some time with them. Okay, so these are the 3 points looking after elderly people. So इसमें क्या है that our people with age what happen कि जो elderly people है वो थोड़े weak हो जाते हैं और थोड़े slow हो जाते हैं. तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, उनको हेल्प करना चाहिए, सपोर्ट करना चाहिए. जैसे जैसे टाइम बढ़ता है उनका विजन कमज़ोर हो जाता है, वो इतने अच्छे से नहीं सुन पाते विद एज, तो उनके बॉडी फंक्शंस इतने प्रॉपरली वर्क नहीं करते. तो इसमें हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या बनती है कि हमें अपने जो एल्डरली पीपल हैं उनकी हेल्प करना चाहिए, लव करना चाहिए और उनको अफेक्शन देना चाहिए. राइट, सो वी शुड ऑलवेज लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट देम. हमें हमेशा उनको लव और रिस्पेक्ट देना चाहिए और हेल्प करनी चाहिए. वी शुड ऑलवेज हेल्प देम वेन एवर दे नीड अस बिकॉज दे बिकम वीक विद टाइम. राइट, सो व्हेन दे बिकम वीक विद टाइम दे नीड अस फॉर देयर हेल्प. सो हमें उनकी हेल्प करना चाहिए. थर्ड पॉइंट इज वी शुड स्पेंड मोर टाइम विद देम. We should spend more time with them and some quality time to make them feel they are alive, क्योंकि उनको हम ignore नहीं कर सकते, otherwise they will get depressed. So we should spend some quality time, fun time. The third point is we should take them to the doctor when they are sick or unwell. Okay, so जब भी they are feel unwell or sick, तो we should take them to the hospital. We should not neglect कि हाँ नहीं ठीक है खुद ही ठीक हो जाएंगे, ऐसे नहीं. We should always take care of them physically. We should go for a walk with them. हमें उनके साथ शहर पे जाना चाहिए, थोड़ा टाइम उनके साथ स्पेंड करना चाहिए. थर्ड, वी शुड रीड न्यूज़पेपर और मैगजीन्स फॉर देम. एज विथ एज दे गेट देयर विजन गेट पुअर. सो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, उनके लिए कभी कभी न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ने चाहिए, मैगजीन्स पढ़ लेने चाहिए ताकि उनका भी इंटरटेनमेंट होता रहे. ओके, Now we should never hurt their feelings. Obviously with age people become more sensitive, है ना. उनको बहुत जल्दी छोटी छोटी बातों पे कभी कभी बुरा लग जाता है. They become very impatient and sensitive. तो हमें उनकी feelings का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. We should not hurt them, their feelings, so that उनको किसी भी तरह से बुरा लगे. So this is how we have completed the explanation part, students. Now I will give you HLA today and you have to do in your homework copy.